Good morning, sir. I am Radhamma, first year MCom. My topic is the research report. First, meaning of report is a real event A report is a non-fiction account that presents and summarizes facts about a particular event, a topic or issue. Non-fiction account means a real event and fact and rather than stories. Example: progress report, sales report, social media report, email marketing report. Progress report means it is a report and which you are updating information about the project. Next, meaning of research report. Research report. A research report is a formal statement of the research process and it is a result in the problem studies, methods used for study and the finding and conclusions of the study. A research report is a formal statement of the research process, a result of the problem. Research Research report is a formal statement and the process of research is the problems of study. The methods are used to finding and conclusions of the study. It is also a formal statement. The process of the conclusions is result of the writing. The fact or event, any information regard the problem, finding the problem and solutions of the last the conclusions of the study. Next types of research report. Firstly, technical report. This report includes full documents and details. It includes the working paper and original data files. Working paper and technical report includes the working paper and original data file. The example, proposal, manual, procedure, regulations, etc. The mainly full document and details information collect the paper and original data files. Technical report is main three importance included. Importance of technical report. First one, efficient communication. Efficient communications is technical report are used by the industry and convey information to upper management. This information they used to make circular decisions that would impact of company in future. Efficient communications is a less time, the more than information collect from. The strength of efficient communications, technical report in this less time, the short time, in more information collected. The evidence of your work. The worker, the reporter, and the author of most of the technical record based on the software. The evidence in technology improve the paper of the software. Evidence of your work, the paper, technical report is testing the body of your paper, the quality of perhaps summary, sometimes chart and tables. One report maintains first is title, author name and title, next is date, and body of letter and firstly author name mention and title, next date. Body of letter maintain the report properly. Then last is summary of the proper spelling report. It includes the table company included the table financial accounts and transaction, etc. Third one, organizes the data. A technical report is a consequential piece of information that decision in the standard manner. Technical report is organized the data. The one of the summary, table of content, introduction, body of letter. Fourthly, tool for evaluations of your work. Our work is evaluations of technical report. Professors and supervisors mainly evaluate your research project based on the technical write-up for it. If your report is accurate, clear and comparable to technical report. Technical report tools means evaluations of our work, mainly clear and complete and correct of comparable of the report. Types of research report in second one, interim report. Interim means in the meantime. Interim report. Interim means interim report when a research study takes long time and there is a long gap between data collection and presentations of the final result. A financial statement for a period shorter than one financial year. The quarterly report is a summary of the collections of an audit. The financial statement such between income statement and cash flow statement issued by the company every quarter 3 months. The interim report. The structures of interim report. your company evaluated. Secondly, updating table of content. Interim report. Firstly, project summary. Nextly, update table of content. The report mentioned that include the table, chart tables, anyone, data tables, collection of the helpful of the input statement that disconnect the content evaluation. Set of review. It should provide a overview of the theories and practice that have most evaluated your work. Literature of review of the interim report is also author, title, date, body of letter, the particular finding of the result properly. Next, current progress. Fourth one, current progress. It includes the mentions of the background research duties, undertaken skill training you have received, and any practical work done toward completing your project. Interim report. Fourthly, current progress. It is the events, the particular event, the practice work you have done towards the complete your project, and maintaining the skills, you develop the skills, and training, and you have received the any practical work. Next, obstacles to progress. It also contains some details. It have the statement, plan, confront the challenges, whatever through the change to the research plan and major adjustment to the overall project. Interim report. Lastly, aspects of progress. It should be also contain some details of a student plan. The student plan will confirm the challenge of whatever things change in research plan, minor and adjustment overall project. Next one, types of research reporter. Popular report. Popular report. This types of designed from audience for executive, administration, technical user. The organization of the report is very important. The presentations can be forceful without the force, and it destroys of the fact. Example: schools, business cases. Schools means ನಾವು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಅಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಈ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಅವರು ಮನಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವರು ಲಾಂಗ್ ಅಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಔಟ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್. Otherly, first one, the finding and their implication. General outlines of popular report. The finding of their implications of emphasis in the report given are finding and most practical interest and the implications of the finding. The report implications of the most practical and interest in the general outlines of popular report. Nextly, recommendations of the action. Recommendations of the actions are the basis of the finding of the study where in the sections of the report. The objectives of the study is generally review of the how the problem arises in the presented along with the specific objectives of the project. The popular report is the any problem arising in the presented along with the specific objectives of the project in the archetype. Next, methods of employ. General analysis of popular report, thirdly methods of employed, briefly a non-technical module including a short review of the data in which the study is based. The section consists of main body of the report where the result of the study or presentation in clear non-technical terms in the library use of abstract chart. Types of research report in Rashi. Summary report. Summary report is the theoretical assembling of the test number and the other data drawn from diverse sources with free range from pictures and some aspects of the organization state. Summary report is a periodical assembling of the test, the number of the included of the chart, table, anyone, the picture of the same aspects of the organization state. Characteristics of the summary report. Firstly, top cover page. Structures of the research. You first technical report, technical report, popular report, summary report. Must and should maintain the structures of research report. Firstly, top cover page. Questions. report, semi-report, hostel should maintain structures of research report. Firstly, top cover page, the page of top cover page, the inner cover page, inner cover page with information included. Next, dedications. Company certificate means the received that is the company manager. Company manager received that the certificate maintained should proper in the certificate ಏನು certificate ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅಂತ ಆ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ನ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಸೇಲ್ಸು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅದೇನು ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ನಾವು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಶೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಬಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಬ್ಲಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿನ ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ನ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಶೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್.
What are the difference between technical report and detailed report?
Technical report is the full document and details into the working paper and original data file. Popular report is popular. Interim report. Interim means in the meantime the research study takes long time and there is a long gap between the data. Thank you for giving the opportunity.